What's going on, guys? So in this video I'm going to explain how to overload constructors in Java. So this is a class that I've just created but haven't filled in yet. So let's first fill in this class. So that's public class person, and this is the one we'll use to demonstrate constructor overloading. So let's give person some fields. So let's say string or private string, name, private int age, and private string job. There we go. So in the first constructor, let's initialize all of those values. So string name, int nh, and string and job. Okay, let's initialize the fields now with those arguments. Okay. Okay, so we've nearly done our first constructor. There it is, guys. So let's test that. So we'll call a constructor from the BlueJ. So we'll call him Bob. Let's say he's 43 and he's Hitman. There we go. So that's just called the constructor as normal. So now let's try making another constructor. And this is what constructor overloading is. It's basically another constructor with a different set of arguments. So I can just do, say, no arguments in this one, for example. Okay, and that's it, guys. So let's try and call the constructor with no arguments. There we go. And it's all just the default values for the fields because we haven't initialized any of them in this one. So we could initialize them again and just set values. So say name equals blank. But there's actually a quicker way to do this without the duplication. So what we can do is type this, and that refers to the constructor with the set of arguments that we enter in this. So let's enter Bob as a string, Bob's age 43, Bob's job Hitman. There we go. So let's try calling that constructor. So the blank constructor has now created an object with the fields we've just filled in. So this constructor that we called has called this constructor because we entered 3 arguments into this. So yeah, that's it, guys. Hopefully this helped you, and don't forget to like, subscribe and comment. Take it easy, guys.